Hi, now I'm just here in the caravan and I come in and I've found that this little Truma main board is not coming on. So we've got the 12 volt board working, as you can see it's going, but that there should have a timer on it. The other thing that should be on is the radio always comes on when that 12 volt board's on. It's not going either. So I'm going to have a look in this main Sargent supply panel. So I've already undone those 4 screws down in here. So I just need to lift this out. Just got to make sure the mains is not plugged in. I'm just running on 12 volts at the moment. You can see one of these connectors has fallen off its connecting block, and I would suspect that is definitely going to be the problem. So we'll plug that back in and see what happens. Doesn't seem to be latching very well, so that's probably why it's fallen out. Yes, you can hear the radio there in the background come on. You've got to make sure those latches are clipped on. So that's probably fixed the issue. We'll just go over and make sure that the Truma main board is on. Yes, look, see, we've got the timer coming up on it, so that should all be working now. Yep. So that's fixed that problem. Thanks for watching.